So we got a recently completed backyard here. I want to show you. The yard, as you can see, slopes down. So the homeowner is getting a little swim pool put in right here, an above ground swim pool. And they wanted to have like a flat area to entertain. And so what we did is we came in and leveled out the yard. We used the Melville Wall. So there is about, 18 inches of retaining and then another 24 inches of seat wall on top. We did it in the Looters Gray. I'm a really big fan of this wall because of the linear optics of it. I think that it just goes really well with all the kind of contemporary, cleaner lines that we're doing nowadays. There's a guy here rerouting all the sprinklers. But then on top here, we use the Lafitte Grana, which actually Belgard's going to kind of be going away from. They're still going to offer it, but it's now going to be called Dimensions. So this is a cool material because there's 3 different sizes. There's a large rectangle, a small rectangle, and a square. We lay it in such a way that there's no repeating lines to it. And with the blended color, just blends very well. On the outside edge, we put in a charcoal Holland stone just to kind of make the edge pop. And then I don't know if you can see or not, but in certain places here, we put lights in the corners, in the center. And I'll put some footage of it at night. The other thing too is that we built this little planter wall for them. Again, just to give another layer to the backyard. These steps right here were just concrete steps, just like what's up there. They weren't very attractive, they were very shallow. So we built these and put lights in them that light up at night. And then over here on their outdoor shed, we just made a large stoop for them and sloped it away so that they won't have any drainage problems. But again, recently completed backyard in Looters Gray, Melville Wall, seat wall. There's about 24 inches of seat wall there, and then about 18 to 24 inches of retaining wall. And again, you can see the reason why we did that is because a lot of the yards here are not graded flat. There's a gradual slope that goes from the house to the fence line, and the homeowner wanted to have an entertaining area. Oh, one other thing too, can't believe I forgot, but we also built a fire pit for them. They can put logs in. They have grandkids that are gonna love roasting marshmallows. I like this fire pit because it's square. Most fire pits you see are like this one over here, the old one, kind of round and really rustic. This is just more of a clean, straight look that I'm a huge fan of. So anyways, again, Belgard, Lafitte Grana, which is gonna be discontinued. They're still gonna have the same sizes, but a little different. They're gonna add several shapes to it, and it'll be called Dimensions. And so yeah, Looters Gray, Lafitte Grana, Melville Wall cap, and dark charcoal 4x8 Holland border.